In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Rivo email pop-ups on Shopify store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your Shopify admin and head to Apps, then choose the Shopify App Store. You can also open the App Store in a new tab and search directly. In the search field, type Rivo Popups, email pop-ups, and look for the app that matches that name. Take a moment to review the app listing, read the description, look at screenshots, and check pricing and any recent reviews so you know what to expect before installing. When you're ready, click the app and select Install App. Shopify will ask you to authorize the connection to your store, so click Install again to confirm. This step gives the app permission to integrate with your theme and collect the information it needs to display pop-ups. If your store uses a password or restricted access, make sure you're logged in as an account with app installation permissions. After installation, go back to Apps in your Shopify admin and open Rivo Popups. You'll arrive at the app's dashboard. If this is your first time, you may see a quick walkthrough or setup prompt. Look for an option to create a new pop-up and select it to begin building. When creating your pop-up, focus on clarity and relevance. Choose a template or start from scratch, then customize the visual elements, colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. Write concise, persuasive copy that explains the offer and includes a clear call to action. If you're offering a discount code, display it prominently and explain any conditions like minimum spend or expiry. Also, configure the success message customers will see after they subscribe, confirming their sign-up and detailing next steps, such as when they'll receive the code. Next, set the behavior rules. Decide when and how the pop-up appears, on entry, after a delay, on scroll, or on exit intent. And set any frequency limits so visitors aren't annoyed by repeated pop-ups. Adjust the delay timing to avoid interrupting the initial browsing experience. You can also choose which pages to show the pop-up on and whether it appears on mobile, desktop, or both. Before you publish, preview the pop-up and test it on desktop and mobile to ensure it looks and behaves as expected. Save your changes, then publish the pop-up within the Rivo app. After it's live, monitor performance and tweak copy, timing, or design as needed to improve conversions.